Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to do a rocking crawl step around the clock. You know, most of our lives we just go linearly straight in one direction, but we're really made to go in every direction. We just don't necessarily do that because of, well, how we live our lives. But it is good to have options, and it is good to be able to move in all the ways you're designed to move. So again, what I'm going to show you today is just something you can play with to explore all the different directions that you're designed to move in. Now, I'm not doing an exhaustive exploration here, but you should get the gist of this. All we're gonna do is we're gonna rock around the clock and step. So we've done this before, right? So it's kind of like a rocking, crawling step. So this is forward and back, and then we're gonna change, and we're just gonna explore angles. So this is diagonal, and then we're gonna change. We're just gonna go sideways. And again, so we're just rocking and stepping around the clock. So another diagonal. So you'll see my left hand and my right foot are the planted ones, and I'm exploring direction with the others. Really, I'm exploring with all of them. And then I'm back, forward and back. And then we're gonna switch limbs. But this is just a fun way to play and explore rocking and stepping and different vectors to see where you can move and how smoothly you can move. And there's a lot of benefit in this. We're connecting our X, and we're stimulating, activating our vestibular system. And we're just teaching our body how to move in different planes of motion. So basically, we're exploring our options and or building our options, because if you can't seamlessly or fluidly do that, yet by investigating and exploring it, you will build the ability to seamlessly and fluidly do it. And if you already can seamlessly and fluidly do it, that is fantastic. You can make it harder. So if you wanted to, instead of being on your hands and knees, you could be on your hands and feet. So you just pick your knees up, and you could rock forward and back here. Now this one, a little bit harder, but also allows you to do a little bit different things. You can move differently, but now you're elevated. And again, this is just a fun way to play, to move, and it builds you. It builds your strength. It strengthens and builds and enhances your nervous system. It builds your body's movement repertoire. Build your cardiovascular system. But that's it. It's as simple as that, just exploring your angles and avenues and possibilities of where you can move. And it just makes you a better mover. All around, it just builds you up. Anyway, that's our tip for this week, rocking and stepping around the clock with Tim. Anyway, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. Again, I am Tim with Original Strength. And we'll see you next time. To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.